Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Before we start, please subscribe our channel. Today, we will be discussing with you Xiaomi Amazfit GTR 47mm top smartwatch to buy in 2022. Let's begin with design. Amazfit GTR comes in a classic design with a touch of modern features. It has a brilliant 1.39-inch AMOLED display and a gallery of watch faces to choose from to fit any style. Metal and ceramic elegant design. 326 PPI AMOLED display with elegant watch faces. Touchscreen Corning Gorilla 3 tempered glass plus anti-fingerprint coating. Outstanding and more comfortable viewing experience. The watch face store provides a great variety of original interfaces, making your Amazfit GTR a seamless work of art. Inspired by classic watches, the super sleek Amazfit GTR has a round body made from lightweight with a rotatable chrome. Sports mode. Smart sports tracking includes smart sport tracking technology that allows you to record 12 different sports and fitness activities including running, cycling, climbing, swimming, and etc. So you will be able to learn about your exercise status and improve over time. Health mode. Heart rate is always on, sleeping monitoring 150 push notifications with screen light up. Lift the wrist to see the screen 30 times, run or exercise 3 times a week for 30 minutes with GPS on and 5 minutes for other operations. Get the health data that matters to you more accurately and efficiently with Amazfit GTR, a more advanced full-scale heart rate monitoring system. Sometimes you want a quick overview of your health stats without cycling through individual apps. With Amazfit GTR, you can test your heart rate, blood oxygen saturation, stress level, and breathing rate in one single tap of the watch. Amazfit GTR monitors your heart rate all day, even while swimming, with alerts for abnormally high or low heart rates, as well as tracking heart rate zones so you can optimize your workouts. PI mode. The Amazfit GTR PI health assessment system takes these little actions into account and activity metrics like heart rate and converts this complex data into a single value score unique to each user for an understandable overview of health. Water resistant. Amazfit GTR is water resistant to a depth of 50 meters and supports multiple swimming scenarios. It can automatically recognize your swimming position and record data like swallow, pace or calorie consumption, and enables an accurate analysis on the data each time you swim. Battery. Ultra long battery life. Amazfit GTR deeply optimizes the power consumption of the system and the components to bring long-lasting endurance of 24 days. No worries about running out of battery anymore. An advanced chip with low power consumption, a new and enhanced circuit design, a deep in power optimization and power consumption management enable the Amazfit GTR to perform perfectly for over 3 weeks with a battery of 410 mAh and charging method with magnetic charging base, 2-pin pogo pin charging. Sensors. BioTracker TM, PPG biological tracking optical sensor, 6-axis acceleration sensor, 3-axis geomagnetic sensor, air pressure sensor, capacity sensor, and ambient light sensor. The Amazfit GTR integrated with the BioTracker TM PPG biological tracking optical sensor and an algorithm developed by Xiaomi offers advanced full-scale heart rate monitoring. It not only provides a 24-hour ceaseless high-precision heart rate monitoring, but also provides functions such as vibration alerts on heart rate, much too high or out of heart rate range while exercising, and recording and viewing fat burning range, making exercise more scientific and healthy. Branding. Amazfit, or rather Xiaomi, the California-based company behind the Amazfit brand, is arguably the most reputable and trusted name in smartwatch wearables today. Not counting the Apple Watch, Xiaomi is the largest wearable device company in the world, with over 50 million units sold and over 16% global market share. Besides its own Amazfit fashion-conscious brand, Xiaomi is also responsible for Xiaomi wearables as an exclusive provider. Test performed. The watch is waterproof and is tested to a depth of 50 meters as per the ISO 22810 standards. Amazfit GTR has passed the examinations performed by National Clock Quality Supervision and Inspection Center. Always on display, convenient and beautiful. The Amazfit GTR incorporates always on display technology. You don't need to raise your hand for your watch to look stunning. It will always display the date and time information anytime, anywhere. Everything you need in daily life. When you fall asleep, it will record your sleep condition in detail and allows you to remotely control the music playing on your mobile, count your steps, alert you about incoming calls, SMS, and app notifications. No reminders will be missed. The Amazfit GTR support devices which has Android 5 and above, and in iPhone it should have iOS 10 and above. The following accessories are present in the box: magnetic charging base and a user manual. The name of the app that you must install in your smartphone is Zap app, so that you can access the function of Amazfit GTR fully, formerly known as the Amazfit app. Its connectivity is BT 5.0 BLE. The weight of the watch with stainless steel variant is approximately 48 grams, and water and dust resistant weight is 5 atm atmosphere. 5 atm is equivalent to 50 meters. It is really amazing. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.